How to play YouTube in background on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on general, and then you will see the option for picture in picture. Go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for start PIP automatically. Once done, go ahead and open the YouTube application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and then tap on the U option on the bottom right of your screen. Now, tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen and tap on general, and you will see the option for picture in picture. Go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for picture in picture, and with this, your YouTube videos will play in background. So this is how you can play YouTube in background. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.